Let's unbox it, shall we? So no longer will we have to deal with these yucky plastic ones that stain and get just film on the inside and just are not good for you. So we're gonna throw that out. And like I said, this is the 12-piece set, but there is also a larger set that I have linked in my showcase. I am gonna ask for the other one for Christmas so that I can literally throw out all the plastic that I have and start fresh with glass. They are also leak-proof, oven safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. I don't know what you're waiting on. This is adulting. Treat yourself, treat someone else in your family that needs some new glass Tupperware, and I promise it's a good gift. Everyone will love this because no one likes to buy this for themselves. So if you buy that for them, I mean, it's a win-win. Let's unbox it, shall we? So no longer will we have to deal with the